Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you ready to take a glimpse into the future of education? In this clip, we'll be exploring what learning will look like in the year 2030 with the help of artificial intelligence. Imagine walking into a classroom where the traditional desks and blackboards have been replaced by interactive screens and virtual reality headsets. Instead of textbooks, students have tablets that adapt to their individual learning styles and pace. And the teacher? Well, they are now a facilitator, guiding students through personalized lessons designed by AI algorithms. This is the future of education, and it's not as far-fetched as you may think. AI has already made its way into our daily lives, from virtual assistants to personalized recommendations on streaming services. So why not in the classroom? With the rapid advancements in technology, it's only a matter of time before AI becomes an integral part of education. But what does this mean for students and teachers? With AI taking on the role of a personal tutor, students will have access to a customized learning experience that caters to their strengths and weaknesses. This will not only improve their academic performance, but also boost their motivation and engagement in the classroom. For teachers, it means being able to focus on the individual needs of students rather than spending time on lesson planning and grading. AI will be able to provide real-time feedback, identify areas of improvement, and even suggest personalized teaching strategies for each student. But the benefits of AI in the classroom go beyond personalized learning. It can also help bridge the gap between students from different backgrounds and abilities. With AI, students with learning disabilities or language barriers can receive extra support and resources tailored to their needs. This will create a more inclusive and equitable learning environment. So what can you do to prepare for this future? Embrace technology and stay updated with the latest advancements. As a tech-savvy audience, you already have an advantage in this fast-paced world. Keep learning and honing your skills, and you'll be ready to adapt to the changes that AI will bring to the classroom. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more and join us as we explore the exciting world of technology and its impact on education. Thank you for watching.